National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 6:30 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., scattered strong thunderstorms were located along the Lake Michigan shore, with additional strong thunderstorms over land approaching the waters. Individual storms are moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana.
Put up a pole pin like a 40-meter dive pole.
During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by this system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm, transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in north central and northeast Illinois, will be activated for watches and or warnings affecting all counties in north central and northeast Illinois, as well as counties in far northwest Indiana. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test. We will now return to our regular program. Illinois, southeastern DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, south central Cook County in northeastern Illinois until 10 p.m. At 9:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Romeoville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bolingbrook, Orland Park, Tingley Park, Oak Lawn, Romeoville, Lockport, New Lenox, Homer Glen, Alfred, Lamont, Justice, Worth, Burridge, Willow Springs, Woodridge, Burbank, Oak Forest, Darien, Palos Hills, and Chicago Ridge. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 262 and 271. Interstate 80 near mile marker 151. Interstate 355 between mile markers 2 and 13. This includes Argonne National Laboratory, Lewis University, and Moraine Valley Community College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. In northwestern Indiana until 4 p.m. At 3:09 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Winfield to Lake Dalecarlia to near Grant Park, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Merrillville, Crown Point, Cedar Lake, Lowell, Winfield, Lake Dalecarlia, and Schneider. Including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 238 and 251. This includes Lake County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. severe thunderstorm warning for Newton County in northwestern Indiana, Southern Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, until 4:15 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Forest City to Fair to near Lake Village, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rensselaer, Dumont, Hebron, Kentland, Morocco, Hanging Grove, Percy Junction, Fair, Rose Lawn, Gifford, Enos, Pembroke, Fair Oaks, Pleasant Ridge, Dunn's Bridge, Conrad, Perkins, Sumava Resorts, McCoysburg, and Beaver City. Including the following interstate: Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 200 and 240. This includes US 41 Dragway. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Drove to the tail end of a couple of them. Should be some pretty good cloud to ground lightning.
The proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service alarm tone. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers by the system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area on a Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. The warning alarm transmitted over National Weather Service radio stations in northern Illinois and northwest Indiana will be activated for watches and/or warnings affecting counties in the listening area. Reception of this broadcast and the alarm tone will vary at any given location. The variability, normally more noticeable at a distance from a given transmitter, will occur even though you're using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. This concludes the tone alarm test, and we will now return to our regular program.
At 11 a.m.